baby, and we are outside right now. We're going to take a ride, pick up our niece, pick up my niece, and do a little shoppy shop, get something to eat. So stay tuned.
I got the right person with me.
What?
Okay, ain't open. They might have some stuff in Marshall.
So we're going in Marshall's to get her some pajamas. That's cute.
They got able to wear a skirt.
He's cute.
So they're real cute.
And they Dr. Shows. They're probably comfortable
They
too.
comfortable. Next school year, them shoes ain't gonna be here, though.
A whole nother style gonna be in style. Oh, that's cute. That's a nice sweater.
And they have a...
It's together, or they have it sitting together.
Oh, they have it sitting together.
It's still cute.
Yes, I am. Yeah, I need to block whatever Roku have going on. I don't need to be affiliated with nothing that Roku have going on.
You just told me.
They don't have all they got to come for.
You the definition of every way but oh, that's cute. That's the wreath, huh? Let me see it.
Okay, Mom, can't get nothing else.
That's cute.
No, you got it fixed. You got it fixed.
We vlogging. Okay. That's pretty. That go on your door or on your fireplace.
How long was
where y'all went.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what my mom was doing, but she was nice with the 4 first.
You don't be scared when my mom used to drive.
I used to like her driving.
Yeah.
Do you think they sell them boys in Hobby Lobby?
They might sell them in Hobby Lobby. We can check that on our way from Eaton. It's called a tub table.
Oh, like what you put in the middle of the tub when you
Yeah,
in it?
when you sit in the tub,
Yeah,
and you
and
relax
then
and
you
watch
put all
the-
your soap and all that on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I be seeing that. They be having it where you can sit your phone up and watch movies and all that.
Mhm.
I be seeing them.
Probably have it at Hobby Lobby.
See, Maya going. I was wondering what you was talking about. Now, what you talking about.
Bet you that tub is nice and deep. They call it.
I love it. I love it.
I got some
bubble
pretty
bath,
eyes.
The bubble bath beats on my neck. I might have to come get your tub one day. Miss Alice was talking about
What you catch on fish and they fry it right then and there?
Yeah, like they got a pie in the back, and you gotta get a little thing, and you catch your own fish with it, and you give it to them, and they clean it, do all that, and they fry it for you.
I bet you that tastes good. You done passed it up. You done passed it up.
Wait, so what that one is down there?
That's Copeland's.
No, it said something about New Orleans.
We right here.
It had something else down there too. It said something about New Orleans. Oh,
That's Copeland's down the street.
what the hell?
When we handicapped, we can go straight right there.
Oh,
Come here before. We went through the drive-thru and got food. Thank you, Carly.
I just know I come here and give me something.
Oh, that's no longer available.
Oh, she wanted them soft shell.
Well, she gotta get some stuff that she likes to eat. We're waiting for somebody to see us. Not a server. What you got, Lisa?
Gumbo, fried, thin fried catfish.
Carly, what you got?
Some chicken tenders and fries.
Mama, what you got?
Perhaps one.
How it tastes? How your fried eggplant tasted?
Come on, Mom. Oh, get out, Mom.
Oh, this one cute too. But this one better because it's more pink.
It's pink.
And they 50% off?
Yeah, look at this one.
How much is it?
I don't want to look at you. They $21.99, 50% off. They're like $10, $11. It's not bad. You got it.
smile. I want them to see something nice when it's playing.
That's Bucket, everybody. That's my son. That's my oldest son. That's Damien.
Yeah.
He's getting ready to move with us in Memphis. To Memphis again. Are you excited about your move?
Of course I am. New environment. Ain't gotta see the same old people. And I get to get away from your other son. Amazing. I'm gonna have a good old time. Be working, minding my business like I always do.
Okay.
The house will be peaceful. If you ever need anything, you know you can ask me.
Pull the phone down, so the police is right there.
But I'm telling you right now, the one of them cats wake me up out of my sleep, I'm gonna toss it.
Why would the cats wake you up out your sleep? They're not gonna be in the room.
I used to be sleeping in the living room. You know what that one cat used to do? Go in the window and start meowing.
What cat that is? At my house?
Simba.
When this was?
When I came and stayed for that week.
Because you was in the living room. You gonna have your own room.
That's wild.
Why would she be in your room?
Because
She don't
animals
go.
like me.
She don't go in nobody's room. She don't.
Okay. It's cool.
So we're headed across the river again in all this traffic. We're going to the caterer's house.
Oh my God, the traffic is so bad.
This
Matter of fact,
week-
can I flip this camera?
Yeah, you gotta pause it.
I gotta.
Pause it at the bottom. Yeah, this weekend they have the Taylor Swift concert. And tonight the Pels play.
I thought it was
Delegates
somebody
play.
black down here.
What you mean that was somebody black?
I didn't know Taylor Swift was down
Yeah, she's supposed to have a concert, I think Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
here. Oh, I know it's lit.
Yeah, so traffic's a little heavy. It's 5 o'clock traffic anyway, so we're going to get something to eat for dinner. Mom had to take a break today. She's not feeling well. Today is dialysis day, of course. I am ready to go home, of course. So that's all we got going on today.
I'm ready to go home too.
I just picked you up.
I'm not talking about that one. I miss my parents.
We don't really miss y'all. You know,
It don't matter. I never asked that. I never asked. I said I miss y'all. That was the end of it.
I'm your mama.
That's
You're
okay.
not my daddy.
I love you. I
don't want to hear
Yeah.
that.
You're the best mom in the world.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
But you don't need to say you don't miss me because you miss me. It's okay.
Okay, Bucky. If you say so.
It's the truth.
You say so.
So you don't miss me?
If I miss you, I'll give you a call and ask you what you're doing.
Yeah. Same thing.
You don't miss me. You don't call me.
I love you. I love you enough to.
But you don't call
I love you and miss you enough not to call you.
What type of shit is that?
Cause you gotta know everybody got their own life they live. I know I don't expect you to be busy all the time, but I know you be wanting your peace and stuff. Like you act like I ain't lived with you for 20 something years. I know how you is, and that's okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, I do like my peace and quiet.
I like the same thing. That's why I don't call all the time. I don't call nobody. I gotta be having a good day to call anybody. Like I text Moochie every once in a while. I don't really be wanting to do that, but I love she like my sister. I love her, so I'm gonna text her. I know she be busy. She ain't gonna always respond, but I'ma still do.
So what you think about your nephew?
Oh, he's so handsome, and they both look Mexican.
How you gonna say
I told her that in the hospital. They look Hispanic. I'm sorry.
How you gonna say that their children look Hispanic?
Cause they light. They so light.
Well, Roro not light. Roro getting some color.
Yeah, no, but when they first brought him to the house,
Oh, he
White.
bright. Damn
So
near white.
Yep, and it's the hair.
Well, that's good. They got a head full of hair. That's good. You think Bernard gonna try to twist that baby hair?
I hope not.
I had told him he bet not.
It's a baby. Why would you try to twist a baby hair out?
He can get his hair twisted when he get ready to go to school. I told him no, he gonna get a haircut. Well, y'all ain't let me experiment. I told him, I said, let me tell you something. That baby is not a fucking baby doll.
Yeah, but it's his child, so you can't
But
really stop
you're
him.
not gonna send a child to school with their hair locked up. I don't think
You
that's
could.
appropriate. I don't think that's appropriate unless you're gonna keep it up. Knowing Bernard, he can't keep up his own hair sometimes. So that's why I say that. He needs to have a haircut until he's able to decide this is what he wants his hair at a certain age and he's able to maintain it. You need to be able to maintain when you get your hair like that. That's like a woman going to the beauty parlor to get her hair fixed. You have to maintain that shit.
I mean,
Or you want to walk around with your shit looking like on your head.
I mean, you right, but
All right.
this is Bernard we're talking about, so
Yeah, I just pray for the baby, that's all.
I mean, I spend as much time with him as I can, you know. I got home last night and Shanice and the baby was sleeping in the bed. I wasn't really tired, so I just let him sleep.
Oh, that's nice of you.
I do it every night. You know, I let Bernard sleep in the bed too. I tell him if I'm not in the bed or I'm not at home, y'all can use the bed. It's no problem. Just leave it back the way you found it.
So what you think about your new nieces?
Who is new nieces? Who was that?
Your nieces.
I love my nieces.
Huh?
I love my nieces. I want to spend more time with
I ain't talking about.
Goddamn,
I ain't
hold up.
talking about.
I don't even like dogs, but if you need a dog, I know some places.
They can't bring the dog to the doctor.
What you say, Damien? You pay $50. What you want a dog right then and there?
I need the dog in hand. Like, I'm not putting no money on nowhere unless the dog is with me.
What that is? Mother's shrimp stew with green beans, garlic bread, and salad. What today is? Wednesday?
Yes.
That was on Wednesday's menu. You can see?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
They moving them people, the homeless people, because of the Taylor Swift concert. I don't know where the fuck they moving them to.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.